everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Today I want to talk to you about stop sabotaging your billing and how you can do that. So I know you've all had this experience, or at least most of you, where it's the end of the month and you're going through files and you're trying to decide who you're going to bill and who you're not going to bill. And you get to the end of the billing process and you decide to hold back a handful of bills. And you don't want to send them because you're concerned about what the client's going to say or think or do. And so you put them on your desk on the side and you hold them there. And every time you look at them, you get this sinking feeling about how the client's going to respond, but you know you have to send the bill eventually. And they just sit there and cause you stress. And so finally, it's like 3 weeks later and you decide, fine, I'm just going to send out this bill. It's got to go out anyway. And so you send it out. And now the client is upset because they don't know what's been going on for the last 3 weeks and they're frustrated. And now they owe you a bunch of money. And so it's just a vicious cycle that unfortunately can keep permeating throughout your practice. And so I want to share with you today 2 ways that you can stop sabotaging your billing. And they're very simple steps, but they'll take some courage to implement. So number 1 is bill more often. If you are sending bills to your clients once every 2 weeks, even regularly just once a month, and they're getting them consistently, they're going to be a lot more willing to pay that bill and a lot more anxious to pay quickly because they know what's going on and they know what you're doing and they know the process. And so they have that documented with them every 2 weeks or every month. So the more often you can bill, the more likely your clients are going to pay quickly. And then number 2 is you need to give that billing to a non-attorney. You need to have someone who is not an attorney processing your bills, creating your bills, giving you drafts to review, sending them out for you, doing as much of that process as possible, because then you'll have less chance to interfere or less chance to use your discretion, which is basically sabotaging your billing. So go ahead, give it a try. I'd love to hear if you guys have tried one of these 2 steps or both of these steps, how it's done. If you could please drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Have a great weekend. Thanks.